The former Pakistan finance minister has warned India to honor the Indus Waters Treaty, and he said if India refuses, Pakistan will wage another war, and this time all 6 rivers will belong to Pakistan. The initial maintenance team from the British Royal Navy have been unsuccessful to rectify the hydraulic issue in the F-35B stranded in India, and now a larger and specialized maintenance team will be deployed. If the fault cannot be resolved locally, the F-35B may have to be disassembled and transported back to the UK using a military cargo aircraft. Following US President Donald Trump's intervention that averted the complete decimation of the Pakistani air bases in May 2025, the Pakistani government has recommended Donald Trump for a Nobel Peace Prize. Indian Army engineers conducted exercises for desert operations, for repair and recovery support to mechanized forces for sustained operations. The 8th edition of the Indo-French joint military exercise Shakti has started in France with 90 troops from each side. Dassault Aviation has announced the formal launch of the Rafale Marine program for the Indian Navy at the Paris Air Show 2025. Chinese media has reported that Chinese Navy's 3rd aircraft carrier Fujian will be commissioned by end of 2025. Indian firm Axiscades has signed an agreement with European missile systems major MBDA to set up a defense facility in Bengaluru that will be equipped with test bench laboratories and infrastructure for missile launchers. The Indian Navy held the steel cutting ceremony for the 4th Fleet Support Ship at Hindustan Shipyard Limited. In a landmark achievement for India's defense indigenization efforts, Kalyani Strategic Systems has emerged as the lowest bidder for a 2,000 crore rupees contract to supply 4.5 lakh DRDO-developed 5.56 by 45 mm carbines to the Indian Army. India has unveiled a new 9-inch barrel variant of the ASME submachine gun. Responding to feedback from the Indian military, HAL has made significant enhancements to the Prachon's design that will improve ease of maintenance and enhance the helicopter's operational readiness. Hindustan Aeronautics has been declared the winner of the bid for the transfer of technology of ISRO's small satellite launch vehicle. The Indian Army has asked to fast-track the local development of a 155 mm ramjet-powered artillery munition. Private sector companies have already submitted compelling proposals to the Army, and the production costs of indigenous ramjet-powered artillery is projected to be 5 times lower than international competitors. The Cavalerie engine program is set to receive a major boost with fresh funding from the Ministry of Defence, and this upcoming financial support aims to fast-track development, including the testing of a new afterburner currently being developed by BrahMos Aerospace. The funding will also enable integration and flight testing of the engine on an older limited series production Tejas aircraft, paving the way for the eventual clearance and advancement of the Cavalerie 2 engine program. With China operating over 200 J-25th generation fighter jets and Pakistan set to receive 40 J-35 5th generation stealth aircraft in 2026, senior Indian Air Force veterans have expressed deep concern over this emerging imbalance. A retired Air Marshal of the Indian Air Force has questioned that can India wait for another 10 years to receive a 5th generation stealth aircraft, and he advocated for an interim solution until the AMCA is ready, and acquire 3 squadrons of Su-57 with transfer of technology. Hyderabad-based Paninian India Private Limited is developing a long-range land attack cruise missile with a low observable airframe design and train-hugging flight for evading enemy air defenses, and GPS-denied navigation and autonomous operation for precision strikes in contested battlefields. It will use advanced composite materials for lightweight durability, and will feature dual-stage propulsion that includes solid rocket booster, followed by cruise phase sustained by a turbofan engine. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.